Great to have you back, everyone. Have you ever noticed how people describe themselves differently on a resume compared to social media? In this lecture, we will learn how to tailor business descriptions to meet specific goals. Besides, you will learn how to adapt your message for websites, funding applications, and marketing materials while maintaining clarity and impact. Let's get into detail. After going through this lecture, you will be able to understand why tailoring business description is essential. Learn how to adapt descriptions for websites, funding applications, and marketing materials. Discover strategies to align your descriptions with your goals. A tailored business description is essential because each platform and audience comes with unique expectations and priorities. Writing a one-size-fits-all description might seem convenient, but it risks diluting your message and missing the mark with key stakeholders. Think of tailoring business descriptions like choosing outfits for different occasions. You wouldn't wear a tuxedo to a beach party or flip-flops to a formal dinner. While it's still you beneath the clothing, your presentation changes to suit the context and audience. In the same way, your business description should adapt to its purpose and platform. A website description is like a casual wear. It's approachable and customer friendly, designed to make people feel comfortable. A funding application is like formal attire, structured and polished, projecting professionalism and confidence. Marketing materials, on the other hand, are like a bold, eye-catching outfit that grabs attention and creates excitement. Just as wearing the right outfit enhances how others perceive you, tailoring your description ensures your messages align with the audience's expectations and leaves the right impression. A website is often the first interaction a customer has with a business, making it a critical platform for a compelling business description. On a website, the description must be engaging, customer focused, and reflective of the brand's personality. This is the moment to capture attention, create curiosity, and build trust with potential customers. An effective web description highlights how the business meets customer needs while showcasing its unique identity. For example, a coffee company might write, "At Fresh Brew, we serve ethically sourced coffee crafted with care to energize your day. Experience the perfect cup with us because you deserve the best start to your morning." This description effectively combines clarity, appeal, and brand personality. Focus on customer benefits. Energize your day. Reflect brand identity. Ethically sourced coffee crafted with care. Use an inviting tone to encourage action. In funding applications, the audience is typically investors or lenders, and the stakes are high. A business description for this context must be concise yet packed with relevant details that emphasize financial performance, market potential, and future growth opportunities. Investors want to see a clear picture of the business's current success and its ability to generate returns. A well-crafted description addresses these concerns directly, builds credibility, and inspires confidence. The primary goals of a funding application are to build trust with investors, showcase the business's potential, and highlight growth opportunities. Unlike customer-focused descriptions, these are data-driven and formal, designed to appeal to the logical priorities of stakeholders who are evaluating the business for profitability and scalability. Fresh Brew specializes in premium, ethically sourced coffee with a 40% increase in revenue over the past year. We're expanding into 3 new markets to meet growing demand. Our projected annual growth of 25% positions us as a leader in the $50 billion specialty coffee industry. Highlight financial performance. 40% increase in revenue. Include market opportunity and growth potential. Use a formal tone to convey professionalism. Marketing materials are designed to grab attention instantly and leave a lasting impression. A business description in this context must be concise and memorable, appealing to the audience's emotions while clearly communicating benefits. The goal is not just to inform, but to create excitement, spark interest, and motivate immediate action. A strong marketing description makes the business stand out in the competitive landscape, ensuring it resonates with the target audience. Glow naturally with pure skin, your solution to radiant, healthy skin. Made with 100% organic ingredients, our products are as gentle on your skin as they are on the planet. Feel the difference today. Emphasize emotional appeal. Powers your day. Highlight unique selling points. Supports sustainable farming. Use an authentic tone to create urgency and excitement. Adapting a business description for different contexts requires careful attention to your audience, goals, and tone. By tailoring each element, you can ensure that your message resonates with its intended audience while achieving its specific purpose. The first step in adapting effectively is to identify who will read your description and what matters most to them. Ask yourself key questions. Are you writing for customers, investors, or partners? What are their priorities, and how does your business meet their needs? Once you know your audience, determine the primary goal of your description. Are you trying to inform, persuade, or inspire action? If your goal is to inform, such as on a website, your description should clearly outline what your business does and the value it provides. If persuasion is the goal, such as in funding application, emphasize compelling data, success metrics, or competitive advantages. Use formal language for professional settings and conversational language for customer engagement. Include or exclude technical details based on the audience's needs. Marketing expert Seth Godin advises people do not buy products, they buy stories, relationships, and magic. Tailoring your description ensures the story you tell connects with the audience. Choose a business or product. Write 3 tailored descriptions, one for a website, one for a funding application, and one for marketing materials. Reflect on how the tone, content, and focus changes across contexts. Alright, tell us, which context, websites, funding applications, or marketing materials do you find the most challenging to write for? Share your thoughts in the comment section. We would love to hear your insights. In summary, tailoring your business description to specific goals ensures clarity, relevance, and impact. Whether it's for a website, funding application, or marketing material, adapting your message to the context helps connect with your audience effectively. This winds up this lecture here. Let's move forward to the next one. See you then.